5 Aesthetic matcha vibe. Desserts and dishes that look too beautiful to eat. Would you eat these or just stare at them forever? Matcha strawberry cream crepe bouquet. A bouquet you can eat, matcha cream, strawberries, and a drizzle of chocolate. Pistachio Mortadella pizza. When Italy meets Japan on a pizza, pistachio mortadella, Parmesan magic. Crème Brûlée Matcha Crepe. Crack the caramel and find heaven inside. Layered matcha ruffle crepe. Delicate folds, fluffy cream, and matcha dust, pure perfection. Matcha jelly cream dome cake. Finally, this jelly matcha cake wiggles like your heart on payday. Which one would you try first? Don't forget to like and follow Nom Nom Corner for more edible art.